greetings, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are watching me from. I believe by the grace you all are doing very well. It's morning here. I have appointment today and I want you to get ready with me as I prepare for the appointment. You remember one of my videos, as I told you that I've been having some pressure in my ears and I went for that appointment. I know a lot of you will remember that appointment here. So I've been waiting. The doctor told me it was going to be like just a week of waiting, but it turned out to be like 5 weeks. So I was called last week that I should come today. Today is Tuesday, so I'm going to get ready. The appointment is 3 and it's almost 12 o'clock. Yes, so I'm going to get ready and I will take you along with me. I hope you don't mind. Yes, I always ask you, I hope you don't mind, because a lot of people will mind. It's not everybody that would love to follow you on your journey, guys. So yeah, that's the situation now. So I'm going to bath. Jump, 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 Papa. Say hi. Papa, say hi. Say hi. Hi. Hi, fam. So I am done. I'm running late. So I'm not going to apply any makeup. I'm just doing my eyebrow just a little bit. And just going to apply my lipstick and that's it. So I am done. I just called the cab, so I am waiting for the cab because if I go by bus I'll be very late. So I have to go for a cab and it says it will arrive in 2 minutes, so I am here waiting. This time around I don't want to miss the appointment. I am waiting for the cab to come, so yeah. Oh my god, I have 10 minutes to get there. Yeah, I'm not going with baby because the last time I went with baby I couldn't do the test because baby was crying and crying, so I couldn't do the test. So today I left baby with NK and I'm going alone. Yeah, so I will let you know when the cab is here from. Hey fam, I'm here. I'm 5 minutes late, so oh my god.
And press as soon as you hear it, okay?
So I am done with the first one, so I'm waiting to be seen by the doctor. Hi fam, I am done with my appointment. Finally the problem have been identified, so I've been given some prescriptions. This weather. I've been given some prescriptions, so I'm going to try it for like 2 weeks, and I'll come and see the doctor again. I hope things will change. Yeah, fam. So I was called 3 minutes past my time, and it's now 5 past 4. And look at the weather. So I am going to the pharmacy to get my prescription. When I get home, I'll let you know. Fam. Brought in my prescription to my GP. Yeah, I had to bring it here before I can go get them. So my GP have to sign first. So I am here for them to sign before I take it to the pharmacy to get it. Finally home, so I took the prescription to my GP. They will send it to the pharmacy for me to get it tomorrow. So yeah, I'm so tired. The weather is so cold. The weather is getting too good for me. So I'm going to make dinner. It's 5:25. I'm going to make stew. Oh my god, yeah, I'm going to make stew. So I want to end the video here. If you're new to the channel, thank you so much for joining. If you like what you're seeing, don't hesitate to subscribe and click on the notification bell so that you can be notified anytime we upload a video. And to my returning subscribers, I love you guys so much. Thank you for the love, your support, your comments, your share, your likes. Oh my god, I do cherish you guys so much. God bless you, and may he continue to increase you in every area of your life, fam. So I am hoping that this medication that I've been given will help release the pressure that I'm feeling in my ears. If you have had this kind of feeling before, you understand what I'm trying to say. It's not easy. It's very uncomfortable. Sometimes it makes me feel dizzy. Yes. So I pray and I hope so that the medication will surely work. Thank you so much. Until my next video, my darlings, is bye. I love you.